Chapter 5. The Valley of Mirrors.
Zuri's hooves crunched softly on the dry ground. The moon hung high above, bathing the savannah in silver light. Her half-colored stripes shimmered faintly as she entered the Valley of Mirrors. Tall, crystal-clear mirrors rose around her like silent giants. Each one reflected a different Zuri's. One scared, one angry, one sad, and one completely without color. Zuri closed her eyes. She remembered the whispering wind, the chameleon she helped, the glowing petal, and the pangolin's wisdom.
No, I am brave, I am kind, and I will not stop.
A mirror cracked. Light poured out. In the valley's center, a small, radiant flower bloomed. She stepped forward, took it gently in her mouth, and more of her stripes blazed back to life. Zuri stood tall. Then I must be on the right path. With the flower in her mouth and courage in her heart, she ran, faster than the wind. The battle for the savannah's colors had truly begun.